and welcome. I am Katarina and this is my channel, your place for card making, creative inspiration and a little extra sparkle in every project. If you enjoy my content, please subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos. Let's jump into today's project. Hi everyone, I'm a teeny bit late with my video for One Sketch Challenge this month. Lisa from Crafting Diva, who is running this challenge, has set out this lovely sketch for us this month. It's lovely, nice and easy. And my video should be quite quick today because recently I've been making lots of thank you cards for my kids' teachers, and I used the gorgeous peony vellum, printed vellum and embossing folder and die collection by Chloe's Creative Cards, and I had this lovely large flower left over. It's so lovely and glittered up. You can see all that gorgeous embossed detail on it too, and I decided to use this one. I didn't want it to go to waste. If I leave it sitting on my table, I'll just probably get lost or destroyed at some point, so I thought I will use that one for my flower today. So I have a piece of card base, sorry, a white card folded into 7.5-inch card base, then 7.25 square for the holographic card, and this lovely pink pattern is 7 inches squared. And all the pattern papers that I'm using today are from the Pretty Peonies paper pad. Lovely and pink. So that's what I'm going today with, and I'm going to very quickly glue this just by using my collal glue. Like so, and then I have my next two pieces for this two sections prepared, and this one measures, I forgot, what did I prepare it to, 5.25 square for the holographic card and 5 inches for this lovely peony one, which I think I'm going to glue just straight onto that. But then I have this piece here, 3.5 square for the holographic, and then 3 square for the glittery pink one, which I popped up on foam pads, and I will add that one in there like so. I'm trying to leave equal on either side in here, so I'm just very quickly going to do this. And while I'm doing so, I'm just going to mention, if you haven't yet been here with this collaboration, there's a whole list of ladies who are participating in this one, and it's always very interesting to see what kind of a take they have on this sketch. All the cards and all the makes look so different, and it is really inspirational, so make sure you check out those ladies makes as well. I will leave links to their channels in the description box below. Now I'm removing just the backing from all these foam pads so I can stick it in there onto my card front. And I should have checked if this is a top folding. Yeah, it is, because I do like to have my cards top folding, especially when working with larger cards. I think they just hold up a little bit better. So I'm just going to add it in there. Perfect. Now I'm going to add the peony in there, and I have some peony leaves, a die cut which came with the floral dies, the foliage as well, and I am going to just arrange them all in there. And I used some aquamarine paper to do that, to cut these out with. I mean, it's such a gorgeous color. I really am loving it. I've used it on all of my cards lately, I think. This is just such a pretty greenish color. And I also like to add some fillers for my flowers. So what I've been using for these thank you cards lately was this die in here, and let me show you if I can find it. Oh, my mess on my table is in a dire need of a clean. Here we go. So this is the June Next Door, and this is Additions dies compatible with, I'm not sure what collection this is with. There's a number GND AD016. I got this on Vinted. It was such a good grab. I do love to add little fillers and all to my cards, and I think this one is quite quirky, very different. So I'm just going to add this, and I've die cut this again from the same holographic card as I used on my card base, so it's lovely and matching. And I'm just going to fill it out here and there. I have a few of these die cut or leftover from my teacher's cards, and I'm just going to use it in there. My sentiment, I've prepared the thank you sentiment, and this is dice from Chloe's Creative Cards. It's a 3-piece dice set, but I only used these 2 here. With the scripted I cut it twice, layered them up, added color using alcohol marker, and then I glittered it up with some Crystalina. Die cut the background from white card and just layered it on top. I've added foam pads behind it because I'm going to stick it in here, like so. And where did I put my glue? There it is. The part of this T will be stuck onto there. So I'm just going to stick it in here like so. Thank you. I'm always in a need of thank you cards because I just constantly keep running low on them, so I thought this was the perfect opportunity to make another thank you card. And I'm just going to add some pink rhinestones in here. Maybe that's too pink, is it too dark? Maybe it's not, is it? No, I think I go with it. It lifts the color a little bit, I think. I do like that. I'm gonna go with this pink, and then a little sparkle in the middle of my peony flower, which I will use hot glue for. And this finishes off my lovely card. I really love these sketches because they really guide you to make some lovely quick cards. And in the meantime, I just found a couple more flowers that I had prepared I hadn't yet used, so I'm gonna have to use these up on some cards as well. But for now, I am absolutely chuffed with this, how this one turned out. And I don't think I mentioned, but on this one here I used the chunky crystalline glitter. You can see how really truly gorgeous and sparkle that is. So make sure you go and check out everyone else's cards following this sketch from Lisa from Crafting Diva, and I will be back very soon with a next tutorial. Make sure you check back tomorrow morning for the next 12 days of Christmas in July card make as well, because it is going to be a really lovely one. See you then. Bye. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe so you won't miss my next video, and in the meantime feel free to click on these rectangles for more creative inspiration. Until the next time, see you soon. Bye.